What's so beautiful about it? Excuse me, I must go in. I have to get back to work. You stepped on my toes, as they say. And I'm beginning to get a little excited. And angry. So, let's talk. Let's talk about my bright and beautiful life. Where shall we begin? You know how it is a violent obsession. The moon, for example. Day and night, someone thinks only of the moon. I have a moon. Every day and every night I'm obsessed by one thought. I must write. I must write. I must write. I've hardly finished one novel, and I must write another, and then a third, and after the third, a fourth. I write without stopping, always at lightning speed. It's the only way I can write. What's so bright and beautiful about that? Life is crazy. Here I'm talking to you, excited. But at the same time, I cannot forget that there's an unfinished story waiting for me in my room. I see that cloud up there. It's shaped like a grand piano. Instantly, I make a mental note to put it in my story. A cloud sailed by like a grand piano. The smell of heliotrope, a sickly smell. What is called? I take a note. I'll use it to describe a summer's evening. I capture every sentence you or I say to lock away in my literary story. Who knows when it'll come in handy? As soon as I finish work, I race off to the theater, hoping to find a little rest. But no. A new idea comes into my head like a cannonball, and I'm back at my desk, writing. It's always that way. I give myself no rest. I feel I'm consuming my own life for the money I'm giving someone I don't know. I'm robbing my best flowers of their pollen, tearing up those flowers, and trampling on them. You think I'm crazy? Well, do my friends talk to me as they would a sane man? What are you writing now? What masterpiece are you going to give us next? And so on. Until I think that all this attention and praise is said, as you might say something kind to a sick man. Deceive him, soothe him, and then steal up behind him and carry him off to the madhouse like Perpushkin. As for my young years, my best years, when I was beginning, my life was a torture. A beginning writer, especially when he's unlucky, feels awkward and unwanted. The world doesn't need him. His nerves are worn thin. He's always at the breaking point. Still, he cannot resist hanging around anyone with any connection with art and literature. When nobody recognizes him, everybody ignores him, and he's too shy to even look people straight in the face. He's like an incurable gambler without any money. I never met my readers. But whenever I produced a new play, I had a terrible fear of the theater. I thought the dark ones in the audience were hostile and suspicious, and the blonde ones cold and indifferent.
unfortunate.